What is up, everybody? This is FNH News Reviews and Tours here with a brand new video talking about the Blue Yeti Blackout mic. And yeah, I'm just gonna get right into this review. I actually wanted to change up my YouTube equipment and whatnot, so I want to start off with the mic. I currently use the Fifine mic, and it's an overall very great mic to start with, but I wanted to upgrade it a little bit, go straight into the Blue Yeti, and I went for the blackout version. This was the cheapest one. It was $100. Overall, the other ones didn't have any different features to it. There was just like different color components, whether it was pink, rose gold, golden in general, I think brown, and all those different colors. I was like, I'm fine with black. It works perfectly fine. It's cheap. So yeah, right before I get into the video, definitely like the video, comment on the video, subscribe, and make sure you are clicking the notification bell so you can be updated for more reviews, tutorials, and all these different videos I make on the channel. So let's get right into the review. So we're gonna open the box and let's see if we can get right into this. Let's see. So overall, the box itself, as you can see, it has like all these different components. Before I even open the box, I just wanted to actually walk you through different sides of it. And you can see it has the mic button, it has the master volume, it has a mic gate control, 4 popular patterns, all those different features, as you can see. I'm very excited for this mic. I don't know where I'm going to put it exactly in my set. I got to like make room for it. Probably just exactly where the Fifine was, but I feel like this is a bigger mic, so I might need to like push it a bit more. Okay, so you just pull it out. So this mic actually just gets straight up pulled out. So the box is empty overall. It comes in like a little bit box type situation over here. So let's see. Damn it. I suck at tapes. And I put my knife away. Oh, damn, this tape is freaking tough. Wow. Oh my god. Oh, that was so hard. Holy crap. Okay, get right into the thing itself. It comes with the wire. So this is the USB cable right here. It's still a regular USB wire, so you just plug it in. I already have one set up, so I'll probably just use that. Straight up instruction manual, as you can see over here. It tells you exactly how to utilize it, how to use it, all the different features, how to control the mic. I should be overall fine. But yeah, you can see all the menu different items over here. And to the mic itself, holy crap, this is definitely bigger than my current mic setup. Wow, wow, it's heavy. Wow, guys, this is an insanely heavy mic. Holy, whoa, wowzer. Okay, let me make some room, because this is a bit insane. I am going to make some room and put stuff on the side, because this is insane. Wow. Guys, this is the mic. This is, wow. Like, let me tighten it up so it doesn't start flimsing around. This is the mic, guys. Wow, that's a pretty big mic. Wow, wowzers. I actually was not expecting it to be this big, because I've had a Blue Snowball before, and the Snowball is a reasonable size. This is a very big mic. My god. Wow. Damn. So anyways, before I get into like keep being awed by the mic itself, just to show you the features, as you can see, it has all the volume gain controls over here. It has the pattern volume as well over here. You can change the patterns, like how's the conversation going. You can have the mute button here, so you can mute the mic itself. Overall, personally, when I do record on the Fifine, I don't really mute. I just pause the recording. But again, this is not a lot of people be doing this. Some people could be live streaming. Some people could be vlogging, which is weird. But they could be vlogging, not like walking vlogging, like sitting down vlogging. And then over here we have the volume control as well, because it can be connected to your mic as well. Because as you can see over here, this is where it connects to the computer. This is where it connects to your mic as well. So you can literally have a mic feature to it as well. So you don't have to keep it only connected to your, so this is just like the overall size of it. It's so big. So you don't have to just be listening to the computer's volume. You can actually have your headsets plugged into this, whether you're playing a game, whether you're commentating on something, whether you're making a video like I do, my how-to tutorials and whatnot. This will get the job done. My god. Like I said, I wouldn't recommend this to brand new YouTubers. I don't think it's fair. I just don't think it's a good budgeted, like it's pricey. It's $100. So let's be straight. I wouldn't recommend this to like brand new YouTubers. Definitely if you're getting the hang of it, you're getting views, you're growing your channel, go from there. If you have a regular phone, headphones, a regular mic, like I had the Fifine, I just had it in-house, go for that. Don't go for something like this. It's a bit pricey. Again, if you're getting the views, if you see yourself growing, I would definitely then recommend it. Go from there, because this is like a monster. You can clearly see it's a freaking monster on its own. But yeah, overall, if you guys like the video, definitely leave a give it a thumbs up to the video. It helps a lot. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns about the mic, let me know in the comment section below. And other than that, FNH out. Peace.